Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do two different types of mango masthani. As it's the season of summer, I'm going to do two delicious mango masthani. Let's start the video. First we need to take a mixie jar and pour some chopped and pieces of mango. 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can even put 2 tablespoons also. Some ice cubes and a cup of milk, and grind them well. After grinding it, I'm going to put some ice cream. I'm going to put mango ice cream here. You can even put vanilla or chocolate ice cream also. Grind them well. We need to pour the mango pulp into a glass jar and then put some ice cream on the top. And the mango masthani is ready to serve. The second way of making the mango masthani, we need to put some mango pieces into the glass jar and put some falooda seeds and we need to put the mango pulp that we had made and put some cashew nuts. You can even put any dry fruits of your choice, and we can put some mango ice cream and then again some mango pieces, and we can put them layer by layer like this only. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and even subscribe my channel.